first test run, we actually have power. That's fantastic. Let's see if we can actually move that little just make sure that motion works. That looks fine. Motor looks fine as well. So now we're coming to the actual custom hardware piece. She's going down. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Beautiful. So, at least we know the motion system is working, and that's fine. And as you can see, I do have a custom motor here. It's a 700 watt ruler, or is it even 500? It's an old one I had laying around and just gonna test run it later. But hey, at least we have the motion system going for now. And actually, let's quickly go over the custom bits that I have so far included. First of all, we have linear rails here. As you can see, those are MGN15. We have a custom tool holder here, 3D printed, just to get a bit more Z height with this large ass motor. And since I saved in some of those 10mm linear rails here, I put them in here to use that motion system, which obviously works very well, or good enough, until we can actually do a proper test run or get a more solid construction for the Z-axis.